Hi guys, you are welcome to this YouTube channel. Okay, we have a question that is also simplification of fractions. In this question we have, this is called step fraction. Someone might see it and it looks complicated, but it is very, very simple, very simple. Let me show you. So that when we will simplify, so when we have this kind of question, what we first of all do is we start from the lowest, that is the last fraction. The last fraction. We start solving it upwards. You know, this is 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5. So the first fraction, that is step 1. We solve this, which is 4 plus 1 over 5. This is, you know that this is also determined as 4 over 1. The LCM of this is 5. So that we now have 1 divided 5 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Right? Plus 5 divided 5 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So this is equals to 21 over 5. So having done this, we go to the next step, which is step 2. Step 2 is 2 minus 1 all over this fraction. And remember, this is this. So that is 2 over 1, as we all know, minus 1 over 21 over 5. Right? And 1 over this is same thing as the inverse. Let me show you. Assuming we say 1 divided by 21 over 5. This is all over 1. And remember, I told you in our previous videos that when we have division, we can still have it as what? 1 over 1 times the inverse of this fraction, which is what? 5 over 21. So that we now have 5 times 1 is 5, 1 times 21 is 7, equal to 5 over 21. So that is the inverse of this fraction. So that this is equivalent to 2 over 1 minus 5 over 21. Right? So here now, our LCM here will be 21. So is equivalent to 21. Then 1 going to 21 is 1. 1 times, sorry, it's 21. 21 times 2 is 42. Minus 21 going to 21 is 1 times 5 is 5 is 1. So that is equals to 42 minus 5 is 37. So that's 7 all over 21. So that is our fraction. That is the answer for this particular fraction. Then we go to our next fraction, which is step 3. In step 3, we now have, this is step 3. This is step 1, step 2, step 3. So that is 2 over 1, right? Plus 1 all over 37 over 21, which we know is equals to 2 over 1 plus 21 over 37. The LCM is what? 37. So that this is 37 times 2 is the same thing as 74, right? Plus 21. Okay, this is 74 plus 21 will give us 95 over 37. So we are done with here. We go for the final step. Okay, just for what you have note, this is JAMB question, JAMB 1985. It appeared in JAMB 1985, so that you know that we are not working out of place. Okay, so the next step, which is step 4, which should be the final step. So we have 1 all over 2 plus 1 over 95 over 37. So this is equivalent to or equals to 1 over 2 plus 37 over 95. So when we do that, the LCM of 2 and 95 will be 190. So the LCM is 190. So we have 190. So that 2 going to 190 will give us 95. 95 times 1 will give us 95. Plus 95 going to this will give us 2. And 2 times 37 will give us 74. Am I correct? Okay. So that is equals to 95 plus 74 will give us 169 over 190. And this here is our final answer. So please, thank you first of all for staying even to this point. And please do well to like, subscribe, and comment. Any question you have here that is confusing, I'll be in the comment section to reply to your questions, your comments. Thank you, and God bless you.